Okay, so we're here installing this safe into this cupboard. We have a concrete floor and a brick wall, which is an ideal scenario, but we do have some skirting board. So if you have a look here, you'll see that there is obviously a gap between the skirting board and the wall, which if we install it like this, the burglar's able to get something down the back here, inside here, crowbar, and try and rip it out. So what we're going to do is cut the skirting board so that the safe will go flush to the wall. So I've just marked the skirting board to be cut, and we're going to make our cuts and remove this section. Okay, so we've now made some fine cuts into the skirting board, and we're going to remove this section. Okay, so this is the safe now in position, ready to be bolted in, and as you can see, it's a nice snug fit on either side of the skirting, and the safe is now fitting nice and flush against the wall, making it extremely hard to be removed. Anyone get a crowbar, anything like that behind here? You couldn't even get a screwdriver in there now. And this will be bolted to the wall and also to the floor.
Free delivery and free installation. Your safe will be delivered and professionally installed by one of our own vetted employees who will arrive in an unmarked vehicle. Get in touch online or call us on 0800 711 7892.